Now step 6 says, in cell B4, enter the function to sum the quantity in stock data, and then apply the comma style with 0 decimal places. So I'll place the cursor in cell B4, type equals sum, and I want to sum up the quantity in stock, so I'll highlight those groups of cells, close the bracket, and hit enter. Now they want you to apply the comma style format, so I do that. Notice that it has 2 decimal places. They want 0 decimal places, so I'll click on here twice and it'll get rid of the decimal places. Now in cells B5 to B8, it says enter the formula to calculate the average, median, lowest, and highest retail prices. So I'll come to here, type in equals average. Here's the retail prices. I'll highlight that cell, that column of items, close the parentheses, and there's the average price. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this one, except I'm going to choose median. Here I want the minimum. And then here I want the maximum. Now for each of these styles they want you to apply the accountant format. So if I come to here, if I select this one, it'll give me an accountant number format on those items. So that is step 6. Now question 7 wants you to find the different types of evergreens in stock on the trees worksheet. What you want to do here is to enter the formula equals count if, and then highlight all of these items here, and then as the criteria you want to put evergreens. Close parentheses, and notice there's 4 evergreens. There's one here, one here, one here, and one here. Now it wants you to calculate the stock level, so we're going to put stock level at the top of this column. Go to the next one, and now what we want to do is, if this item is less than 75, we want to place order, otherwise we want to place OK. So we want the spreadsheet to figure that out, not having to go through the sheet ourselves. So I'll come over here and say if this is less than 75, we're going to type in order. Otherwise I'm going to put OK. And notice how, since this is 49, this tells me to order it. Now I'm going to copy this one to all of the remaining rows. And notice how it automatically puts in the ones that are OK and which ones to order. Now what's nice about this is, if I change the number in stock from 49 to 75, notice it goes from order to OK. If I change it back, notice it places it, it changes it automatically. Whereas if I went and typed in order OK, I'd have to go back and change it for every time. Now do the same thing for the bulbs sheet.